This is a new 2015 Ford Escape. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2-liter, 4-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a turbocharger, a panoramic sunroof, internet connectivity, electric trunk, push-button start, leather seats, heated seats, blind spot sensors, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, xenon headlamps, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, parking sensors, stability control, a passenger airbag. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Tommy Vaughn Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1201 Shepherd Drive, Houston, Texas 77008.